Okay, welcome back to mathematics class. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, mathematics class. What class? Mathematics class. All are taken your textbook. Take out your textbook. Okay, turn on page number 61. Turn on page number 61. All up. Show me your page number 61. Did you complete 60 abacus? Did you draw? 60. Page number 60 I am asking here. Very good. Okay, now add the following numbers. Today's exercise, add the following numbers. Exercise. See here, add the following numbers. Add the following numbers. And means addition. Addition now following numbers. First one. 32 plus 54. 32 plus 54. 43 plus 23. 43 plus 23. And yesterday you did learn, means previous class you did learn addition with abacus. How to learn, children? Addition with abacus. This is the short form. This is short form. Third one. 62 plus 16. 62 plus 16. Fourth one. 84 plus 11. 84 plus 11. So first we have to solve these problems. First 32 plus 54. And which number is in ones place? 2. This is ones place. Which number is in tens place? 3. Ones place, tens place. So first we have to do ones places numbers. These are. First we have to add ones place numbers. We have now, look at me here. What are the numbers are there? 2 plus 4. 2 keep in mind. Take 4 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 plus 4, 6. 2 plus 4, 6. So the 6, definitely you must write under ones place. Okay? You must write under ones place. All are observing the board. See here, these are ones places numbers. Yes or no? 2, 4. So when we add these two numbers are ones places number, and we have to write the answer under ones. Okay? Next, ones place completed. Now we have to go tens place. 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. 3 keep in mind. Take 5 fingers. 3 keep in mind. Take 5 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 plus 5, 8. Now we added tens places numbers. What are numbers? Tens places numbers. So 3 plus 5, 8. The under tens place. Under tens place. Okay. Now 32 plus 54. What is the answer? 86. 86. 43 plus 23. First, what are numbers are in ones place? What are numbers are there? 3 plus 3. 3, keep in mind. Take 3 fingers. Yes. 3 after 4, 5, 6. So 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 3, 6. Next, 4 plus 2, 4, keep in mind. Take 2 fingers. 4 after 5, 6. So 43 plus 23, 66. Next, 62 plus 16. 62 plus 16. 2 plus 6. 2, keep in mind. Take 6 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 plus 6, 8. And 8 we have to write under ones place. Next, 6 plus 1. 6, keep in mind, take 1 finger. 6 after 7. 6 after 7. So 6 plus 1, 7. Next, 84 plus 11. Fifth, 74 plus 13. 74 plus 13. 53 plus 21. First, 84 plus 11. So first we have to do ones place. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1. So 4 plus 1 means 4 after number. 4 after 5. 4 after 5. Next, 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 means 8 after 9. 8 after 9. Next, 74 plus 13. 74 plus 13. First we have to do ones. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. So show me your answer in this line. Show me with your fingers. 4 plus 3 how much? Do the addition and show me your fingers. 4, keep in mind, take 3 fingers. 4 plus 3, what is the answer? Dikshit God, very good. Avinav Reddy, very good. Very good, all the children. 4 plus 3, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. Next, 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1. 7, keep in mind. Take 1 finger. 7 after? 8. So 7 plus 1? 8. Next, 53 plus 21. 53 plus 21. So 3 plus 1? 3 after? 4. 3 after? 4. Next, 5 plus 2. What is the answer? 5 plus 2. Show me your fingers. Five plus 2, show me your fingers. Swapna, very good. Nandita, very good. Sampath. A37FW. Who is that member? Please keep your name. How to appreciate you? Vinila, Dikshit, got all the children very good. Did he show me all? So 5 plus 2, 7. Okay, write in your textbook neatly and you will keep the numbers properly. Ones place, tens place. Write in your textbook. Did you complete Sai Satvik? I hope you all are complete. Shall I have this one? Completed. Some comments if you send. Okay, I'm dumping here. See children, remaining 4 problems homework. Remaining 4 problems homework, and next page number 62. Turn on page number 62. First, 48 plus 31. Second, 52 plus 25. Third one, 34 plus 25. Forty-one plus 36. Fifth one, 62 plus 17. Ninety-four plus 12. 84 plus 12. See here first, 48 plus 31. 48 plus 31. In one's place, 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1. 8 keep in mind. Take one finger. 8 after 9. 8 after 9. Next, 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. 4 keep in mind. Take 3 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3, 7. 7 have to write under tens place. Next, 52 plus 25. First we have to do 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5. 2 keep in mind, take 5 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 plus 5, 7. 2 plus 5, 7. Next, 5 plus 2. 5 keep in mind, take 2 fingers. 5 after 6, 7. So don't write children, look at the board all of. Show me your fingers. I will be writing them. What I am telling here number, you will show your fingers. Okay? See first 34 plus 25. So first we have to do 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. 4 keep in mind. Take 5 fingers. So you will count 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4 after 4 plus 5. What is the answer? Say only 9 fingers. Show me your fingers. Very good. 4 plus 5, 9. Now 3 plus 2. 3 keep in mind, take 2 fingers. Sheja, what are you doing? Take your 2 fingers. 3 keep in mind, take 2 fingers. 3 after 4, 5. So 3 plus 2, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. Very good. Next, 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6. So 6 is is biggest number. 6 is biggest number. So 6 keep in mind. Take one finger. 6 keep in mind. Take one finger. 6 after 7. Next 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. 4 keep in mind. Take 3 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3, 7. Next 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7. 7 is biggest number. Yes or no? We compare with these two numbers. 7 is biggest number. So 7 keep in mind. Take 2 fingers. 7 after 8, 9. So 7 plus 2, 9. 6 plus 1, 7. 6 plus 1, 7. Next 4 plus 2. 4 keep in mind. Take 2 fingers. 4 after 5, 6. So 4 plus 2, 6. 8 plus 1, 8 after 9. 8 after 9. Okay, now you have to write now. Write neatly. Did you complete, students? If you complete means take out your worksheet. Okay? Take out your worksheet if you complete means. Completed? Okay, take out your worksheet. Worksheet. See here, page number 6. Page number 6. Maybe you did complete it, but once read the spellings. On. Read and write the words. These words read and write. On, under, bottom, above, below, big, small, far, near. Okay, and write the numbers from 1 to 50. Write neatly these numbers. Okay, students. Write the numbers from 1 to 50. And here count the following. Here, after numbers, before numbers, between numbers. Did you complete all of? Maybe you all are completed. Next one. Page number 10. Page number 10. See here. Read and write the number names. Read and write number names. Here already given. Number names 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Already given, but simply you have see and write. But learn and write. Learn and write. Next page. Here counter, write the numbers. Here some things are given, so you count and write. Next, read and write. Big, small, big, small. You will observe what is the difference between these two things. Okay, this is big size is there, so that is called big. And this one is small size is there, so that is called small. Big, small, big, small, big, small. Okay, and draw 5 big objects and draw 5 small objects. Okay, next, practice number names in your notebook. 1 to 10 number names given now, so you will practice in your notebook. Next, page number 15. Page number 15, show me all of. Page number 15, very good. See here, you will draw any two things, big thing, small thing. Okay, big thing, small thing. And write the number names of the given numbers. Here numbers given, 6, 5, 2. You can write the number names. You can write the number names. Next page, you match and tick the big object, tick the small object. If you have any doubts, you will call me. Okay, students. Next, page number 20. Day 4. Page number 20. Day 4. Here, near, far. Here one house is there. Yes? The girl is very near from the house. The girl is near from the house, but the boy is far from the house. Okay, this is the near, this is the far. Next, read and write number names 11 to 20. Read and write number names 11 to 20. Okay? Next, day 5. Day 5, students. Day 5, 24 is there. So you match the one side given numbers and other side given number names. Which option is correct? You will match those numbers. And these number names you will write in 4 lines. Write in 4 lines. Okay, students. You will complete your worksheet as well as possible. And if you have any doubts, if you are not coming anything, you will call me. Okay? Thank you.